Hello Harmony One holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. So at this time, the unbelievable changes occur in the Harmony One, my friends. You can't believe these changes of the Harmony or not. But it's the reality of Harmony coin. You can see here that now the changes of the Harmony One coin is completely going wrong. The last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the Harmony One coin is completely negative. So my friends, that's not mean that if the changes is negative, so you decide to sell, my friends. No, don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. Absolutely, I know this time the price of Harmony One coin is going down, my friends. The price is decreasing, but my friends, remember. After a bad time, there is a good time, my friends. So now the huge pump. At this time, the price faster, but after a falls, there is a jump, my friends. Remember that, my friends. So now this time the price is going down. Very soon the price will pump. My friends, subscribe my channel for more updates and news videos about Harmony One coin. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, my friends. Anyways, you can see here, if we talk about the price of the Harmony, so 0.063246 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Harmony coin, my friends. And furthermore, the 95 is the market rank of the Harmony. Let me show you the price chart of the Harmony. My friends, absolutely, you can see here. There's a really bad falls of the Harmony One coin, but don't be disappointed and please hold, be patient, be wait for a huge pump. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel for more updates and news videos.